All of them. What's wrong, Michael?
I got gum in my hair.
You do.
This just stinks. Don't touch it. Please don't touch it.
You got a ton of dandruff.
Okay, let me be.
How'd you get gum in your hair?
I was walking in and I noticed something shiny under Stanley's car and I got under to see what it was and I messed up my hair. All for a stupid piece of tinfoil.
But best case scenario, you thought it was a quarter.
Kill me. Right now.
We have peanut butter in the kitchen.
I don't feel like peanut butter. Give me an ice cream sandwich.
Nope, not for you. It's for your hair, and it is 9 a.m.
No, Dwight, not the good peanut butter. People are gonna get mad.
Hey. This is my hair we're talking about. Smells good.
So, who broke it? I'm not mad. I just want to know. Tom?
Don't look at me. Look at Ben.
What? I didn't break it.
April was the last one to use it.
Liar, I don't even drink that crap.
Oh, really? Then what were you doing by the coffee cart earlier?
I used the wooden stirrers to push back my cuticles. Everyone knows that, Jerry.
Okay, let's not fight. I broke it. Let me pay for it, Ron.
No. Who broke it? I broke it.
Then how can you belong to that silly woman haters club? You know, I'm a woman. Sort of. Let me tell you something, Darla. I'm not like those guys. I'm a sensitive male.
Der er stadig intet nyt i sagen om den 56-årige Max, som fortsat ikke aner, hvad han skal bruge sit liv til.
Helt ærligt, Max, hvad har du gang i?
Er du blevet totalt vanvittig, mand?
Det er verdensklasse, det der.
Tissemænd der, og tissekoner her.
Ah!